We're out here with the Outfitr one bike rack with ramp. My son Rowan, he's 12. He built this whole thing, and so I'm gonna review this product, and then I'm gonna kind of show you how it works, how to put it together, how to load a bike up here. But Rowan, show him some B-roll and the footage of you putting this rack together, would you? All right, so we're gonna put this together, put it on in real time. It's not very heavy at all. Pretty easily do this by myself. Put this in here. And then I'm gonna make sure these holes line up. And then the system for this is actually pretty cool. It is a bolt that's gonna go in there, and it's gonna screw this on tight. And it's gonna, you always wanna get it started by hand first. And then I'm gonna throw this little tool on here. The size is a 24 millimeter, and finish this job. There is a lock washer in here, keeping it from rattling loose. This is another safety, your hitch pin, so cotter pin, so it doesn't fall out in case it came all the way unscrewed. And so look at this thing. Whole car shaking. Very sturdy. I like that bolt in there, how it screws on. So let's put the ramp on and load a bike. So here's the ramp. Normally goes in here, and we'll show that later, kind of going in here, and then it'll be held on by the pin there. But let's set this puppy up, and we definitely need the ramp for the bike I'm about to load, because it is a pretty heavy e-bike. So we're gonna roll it up there and lock it on. So we're gonna load the bike up. One quick note for those of you with a keen eye, we had this on upside down, and so the bike went way down in. Put it right side up per the instructions. So let's load this bike. Here it is. This is the Aventun Cinch, a pretty heavy bike. And so really grateful for the ramp here. We'll roll it up, and then we'll adjust those the back tire marker. I'll roll it in nice and smooth. Let it fall all the way into there. I like to put this all the way back. This thing easily slides around. Put it like that. The seat, this can go onto crossbar seat. On this bike, I think the only place is going to be this seat here. It's already, I'd say I could raise the seat up or lower that, but I think that's just about perfect. Happens to be there. This is kind of nice, protects the bike. Put that through, nice and tight. I'm gonna go down here and do this front one. Over here, and down in. Ooh, I love that clicking sound. That's very positive feedback. You see the bike, the air in the tire kind of squishing down, so you know you got it nice and tight. And then one more here. Throw it through here. You want to make sure you don't get any spokes or little parts that could get smashed in there. Nice, tight. Okay, man, this thing's pretty solid, honestly. I'll push this in a little bit more. Oh, you hear that? Got a couple more clicks out of it. Then this ramp, this goes right in here, and this holds the ramp on. Let's make sure we put this in right. Nice and easy. I bet this needs to go on here, Rowan, so we don't lose this hitch pin, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So we'll do that later. Look at that. This bike is loaded up. A little wiggles and jiggles, but it could be a little tighter here. I'd say it's solid. What do you think, Rowan? And this cinch is 20-inch tires, very small. Much bigger tires could obviously fit in here. I think bigger tires would be better, but this bike seems to fit pretty good. We're gonna load one more bike on here. This one, this bike's really light. No need to get the ramp out. Man, that fits really solid in there. These are 29-inch wheels. I'm gonna put this, where do I wanna put this? I think I wanna put this one on here maybe. Ooh, that's nice. I'm gonna just put it right there. Look how that fits there, Rowan. Move that down nice and tight. This is pretty good here. And of course this just spent. I'm gonna slam it up, bam. And then put that through. Come over here. Bring that all the way through. Nice and tight. I like it already, but there's one more strap to do. Bam! This bike is on. Oh, and that's solid. I like that. So this is very adjustable. Depending on how tight you have this bolt here, it's it's going to move and stay where you have it. This, of course, can go low, can go high. This, in case you didn't want to put it on a seat, put it onto the frame of your bike. This can spin 360, spin around. These go like this. And it really has to go this way. At first I thought, oh, you put it in this way. No, it's this way. You hear that nice click. It's not coming out of there. Get tighter. To open it up, obviously, spring release, pull it out. Easy peasy. We're going to take the bike off now. Pretty amazing road run, I would think. Did a couple speed bumps, did a pretty steep hill, up and down. Take this off and put the ramp on. Take this, loosen this guy. And over here. I'm thinking we probably want these straps on the outside. That's something we can switch around. I'm thinking we want like the strap on the inside and the buckle on this side. Just be a little easier to get to. We'll do that maybe later. Not too bad like this, but could be even better. EBI. And that's on us. That's just an installation preference. Let's see, let's roll this puppy, keep it on the ramp, roll this puppy down, boop. There it is. So you probably want to know if you can open your tailgate or not. If it was like this and it didn't move, you couldn't. But since this goes down, and you could strap it to itself here, I think. Maybe not. If it was a little longer, barely, strap it to itself. Maybe I'm missing something there, but strapped it to itself, kind of stays out of the way. Get in and out, use this thing. So for the final review, I'm going to give it a lot of stars. This thing's awesome. It's the Outfitr one bike with ramp. You can throw an e-bike on there, throw a mountain bike, road bike on here. It works just as it says it does. Fantastic rack. Pick yourself up one in the description below.